January 2017, inatasan ni Honorable Mayor Romulo MULOY Festin ang Human Resource Office na bumuo ng dance group and choral. Nais niya na sila ang magsilbing mangunguna sa mga formal na programa na palagiang isinasagawa ng munisipyo. Bilang pagtugon, agad na nagsagawa ng panawagan sa pamamagitan ng radyo, social media, school hopping and words of mouth ang HR at PR office upang hanapin ang mga magagaling na singers at dancers ng San Jose. Dumagsa agad ang mga tumugon sa nasabing panawagan. February 7, 2017, ang kauna-unahang pagpupulong na isinagawa para sa pagbuo ng dance group. Dito ay pinag-usapan ng mechanics, criteria, requirements sa mga interesadong sumali. Kasama dito sina Ms. Josie Liseco, Ms. Janelle Dimaranan, Mr. Omar Cunanan, Mr. Luis Sumait Jr. at Ms. Daisy Del Valle Liano. February 25 and March 4, 2017, umarangkada ang batch ng auditionists ng dance group sa San Jose Gymnasium at MAU Training Center. At dahil masyado nilang ginalingan, wala halos itulak kabigin dahil super galing talaga nilang lahat. Sina Dave Samortin at Sandy Bautista, ang choreographers, under the supervision of seasoned and one of the most sought-after dance instructors and experienced choreographer, Mr. Luis Sumait Jr., or we fondly call him Mama Luis. To perfect the choreography and dance steps, day in and day out, practice to the max ang kanilang ginagawa. Pinaghahandaan ang kanilang mga performances. March 6, 2017, they were officially introduced during the flag raising ceremony of LGU employees. Napawaw kaagad ang crowd dahil sa pinakita nilang galing sa pagsasayaw. After the dance audition, umarangkada na rin ang audition para sa choral. The auditionists were required to do a voice check session to identify what voice or vocal range they belong to. Ilan sa kanilang repertoire ay ang Lupang Hinirang, Mimaropa March, Occidental Mindoro March, ASEAN Hymn, Sayo Lamang, Bonggahan, Kanlungan, Kahit Maputi na ang buhok ko, Mahal Kita Kasi at marami pang iba. March 31, 2017 ang first public appearance ng LGU Choral as they joined in the celebration of Women's Month. Great performances will not be possible without the leadership of Miss Maylani Gidinglasan or simply Ma'am Lani, a renowned choral conductor and music educator who has trailblazed the revival of singing in the local government unit of San Jose. To date, we have 26 dance members and 34 members of the choral. Pagkatapos ng tagisan ng talino sa pagpili ng magiging official name ng LGU Choral and Dance Group, nanaig ang suhestyon ng Tourism Office na inaprubahan ni Mayor Romulo Festin at buong komite na ito'y kilalanin sa pangalang Mang-Raw, LGU San Jose Choral and Dance Group. Ang Mang-Raw ay dalawang salita na nanggaling sa mangyan at tama raw. Dalawa ring mukha na sumasalamin sa kultura nating mga San Joseños. Tonight, as we celebrate the beginning of 9 days novena in honor of our patron saint San Jose ang Manggagawa and MULOY Show program, we are proud to present and officially launch the Mangraw, LGU San Jose Choral and Dance Group. Magandang gabi po and enjoy the rest of the night.